You know, like I think I said before, I like electrolysis myself for cleaning up. I don't care too much for sandblasting or what people are calling media blasting or none of that stuff. The thing about electrolysis is you can hook it up and just walk away and let it go. Come back an hour or so and, you know, check it out. Not like with sandblasting where you have to, I guess, finish it. Takes an hour or two. And you can't come in here and work on other stuff. So we're going to get all that out, and you see, we got to clean all this up. Okay, we got our push rod and trip holder all cleaned up. These bolts right here, we'll have to clean them up. See how somebody put a wrench on there, it didn't quite fit or something. You feel them on there a little bit rough. So we'll clean them up, make them look a little better. Finish getting the paint off of that. And clean that down in there. That thing probably hadn't been off since the 1940s. Finish cleaning up this. Put a nice coat of black spray paint, Rust-Oleum.